friends, today I am going to teach you how to do a train in blocks. You want a box car? Okay, shall we start now? You want to take a big block and you want to fix like this.
I'll try to make you right for me, but the right time is now, and it's now or never. It seems the only thing for you is me. If society so tragedy, you're already on it as a memory. Oh, and you discover the only thing for you is me. I'll try to make you right for me, but the right time is now, and it's now or never. It seems the only thing for you is me. If society so tragedy, you're already on it as a memory. Oh, and you discover the only thing for you is me.
Okay friends, it was ready. Only 2 blocks want to put. Okay friends, it was ready. Thank you for watching this video. This was second video to build a blocks. First video was on pyramid. Okay friends, bye.